All right. Hopefully, you guys can hear me. Welcome to Friday, December 6th. It's my sister's birthday. Happy birthday, sister. We love you here from the US. Anyway, just want to talk to you about a little bit about the market. I did not have video last week because we were traveling, and plus we are busy with holidays, shopping. That's what a lot of people say. Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So welcome guys, and just want to give you guys an update, basically where I am with the stock market, and also where do I think the market will go from here. So let's. I know this chart it's a little bit messy, so let's go pull stock chart here. Okay, you probably will see this stock right here. We're basically almost making the new high on SPX. But if you look at on SPY, we're super close. We're probably like less than 1 point for making a new high. So 40 cents, 40 cents right there. So super close. I'm gonna make this bigger so you guys can see it and close all this crap ads by Google. Um, so last week, what happened last week? We have market basically keep going high, and after the I'm sorry, not cyber, Black Friday, right, or Cyber Monday, we basically start pulling back. We have this, and then we have this big candle, and then with another following big candle. So I have a position short SPY at 310, which is here, and then I hedge 307, which is selling the expired at the end of this week. So what happened is, whereas the market pullback, I'm making money about 500-ish net profit right there with the hedge. And then I sold right here in this conjunction when it start making a high or start reversing. So now I'm basically flat with SPY. I don't have any other position. Now look at the market just bound to one gap up, and then another day just basically within inside the day, and then the next day just gap up again. So it's amazing. I think with the MACDs being curved here, we do probably will see this high will get taken out, and we probably will approaching 320. That'll be the next. Um, I'm just gonna see if there's any sign of topping tail or maybe bearish engulfing candle. Then I want to short again because I don't think we're gonna keep rallying here. And plus, on December 15th, there's gonna be a deadline for the trade war. That Trump basically said that, yeah, if China basically doesn't want to make a deal, I'm gonna increase my tariff again on December 15th. So that it might cause some turbulence. Right now, we're basically living on the edge of tweeting with Trump. So we'll see what's going to happen. And the same condition with Apple. I short Apple at 270 um, right here. And then I also have a credit put call, which is I'm collecting premium expired at 270 and 275. And then this week I have 272 with 277.5. So I'm collecting about $900 total on that. And then I'm not SPY, Apple put, it's doing so much well. I also have a hedge at 255 here. So 270 and 255. And then as it's pulled back, I close the position and collecting roughly about 1500 plus all the credit call. That will be around like 2400 roughly on that. So I'm flat on Apple. I don't have any position right now. That also the position I have. I do look at the GME GameStop this week. This stock it probably will go higher, but right now we are kind of in the middle of nowhere. This is looks like it looks like a bull flag here with a very small cup and handle. There's an earning on Tuesday, so I do think it might pop to 70.71, which is the 50 MA here, and then it's gonna start pulling back. Eventually, it will go back to 10 and 11. Um, but I don't know. I did pull some selling some credit put here, so I'm collecting about 43 cents times 10 contracts, 430. But I just sold it this morning because I don't want to stop with the earning. I don't want to be in the situation where I'm making money and suddenly gap down because I want to protect myself. So I was netting about $60. The it's easier for me to exit the position right now because the commission is very low. You gotta have to understand there's a lot of free commission now going on, and I just have to pay like 40 cents or something for the broker fee. Um, that's GME. And then the other one I was doing with work. Oops, what happened there? Not K, but work. I do pull position on work on the day after the earning. So if you look at this on daily earning, we pull back to 20, close to 20, and then we rally back. So I was selling 20. It'll be expired in December, and December 15 or December, let's see, what was the December 20. So that will be the third week for option. So December 20th, it's making money, and then now today it basically went up to 22.90 something, and then I sold that and collecting about $120. In the other hand, I also bought June 20 call on 2020 on 2020 June 20 strike, June 2020 with 20 strike call. Um, so right now it's making money about $200 something. So I'm gonna keep writing on this because I like this stock. It's close above 50 MA. As long today it doesn't go below that, I like it. And I do have a target, which is we probably have to take this level first, 23.40, 26, and then go back to 28, which is conjunction with 32.1 Fibonacci. So this is the Fibonacci level right here. 28. Let me show it on the regular. I have it here. You guys can see where's my target. All right, let's make that as a daily. So 28.2, 30, 84, and then the 618, which is 33.48. I do think this stock will hit 23 above that because this 50 MA will hold. And then 26 is the next target. Okay, I'm gonna keep writing this. As the time goes, I'm gonna also start selling the credit put spread. So at least that will give me more profit with selling the credit put, and then just keep writing up higher. Okay, so that's for work. Now I talk with Apple, Spy, GNE, work. I do have position on EA. This is a position from 2 months ago. EA has been grinding up pretty good here since late November. As you can see right there, it just keep going high. This is still within the channel. So eventually it will try to test the 103.50. That was the last high, if you can see here before the pullback. So I do think there's still some seller that need to be taken out. And then from there, we're going to go 108, which is the last high, and about 120. Okay, 120, which is my target. That will be the jackpot money right here, 120. But of course, we have to see like how this stock behaves because this stock likes to tend go up, go down, go up, go down. So you just have to play nicely. I probably because my option is it's expired in January 2020, which is January 20. Um, it's just like another 40, 40. 45 days. So I want to see like where it goes first, and then take profit and see if there's any pullback. Maybe I can um, rejoin again to go back to the 120, or the other way around, which is I can keep that one and then sell the 108 call weekly, and then as the stock goes up, keep going selling the hedging part, which is selling the 120 call as well. So that's where I can play that, and then I can double the profit. Now that's EA. For ATVI, this is also the gaming industry Blizzard. I think since the earning, there's a pullback. It's still within the same area or the same value. You can see right there between 50 and 57. So eventually, if EA keep going higher, this one will keep going higher. I do like this stock. There's a gap fill at 62.50, if I'm not mistaken here. Let's double check that. It doesn't say on this, but if you look at on this chart with the cost, maybe I can. I just like to show it on the stock chart because it's much cleaner. I had a lot of drawing here. No, sorry, this is not the TBI. Okay, let's go to weekly. And yeah, weekly. There's a gap fill here technically. So somewhere between um, 60 to 50, between 60 to 60 to 50. So that's the gap fill. I think eventually we'll go up and then take that level out. So that's where also I mark my 60 right there. Yeah, so that pretty much it. And I do think where's the market from here? This is not closed yet. This is still recording at 11:45, so we still have about an hour to go before the market close. But you can see right there is just building value higher. So there's still a lot of people are buying this market and they like the position. So I do have another one, which is the FTSV. This is the 47. I just sold a put on 1250 right here, this level. Okay, this is considered as another support now. It was broken. Now it's become a support. Resistance become a support. And now I sold that on for January 2020. I'm gonna expect this stock to grinding higher to 17 and 18. So I sold that for $1.60 with 10 contract. So it's about 1,600 credit. Okay, another one which is long-term play. It's Neo, the electric car. Um, I'm trying to reduce my loss on this stock by selling two right here. So I'm gonna mark this right here for also January 2020. So I'm expecting the stock will just keep chopping in this area and then keep grinding higher to 250. We haven't closed the gap yet. It's 271 is the gap. So I do expect we're gonna go and test that. I'm collecting 35 cents and 20 contract. It's a little bit bigger contract on this one because it's cheaper stock. So about $700 for about 2 months play. Okay. So I'm just gonna keep trying to sell credit premium, put or call either way, to collect some premium basically to kind of adjust my loss position with Neo. I do have this position for long term, so I'm just gonna leave it that way and just keep playing and selling the put, like I said. So that's pretty much I have. Oh, last one, which is the biggest winner, VVID. Okay, bought it at 62. Now it was 95. I sold about 5,000 share, and then it pulled back to 72 cents. Tried to bought it. It just basically bounced pretty quick. Now it pulled back to 79, 76. Now it go back to 86. Okay, I'm just gonna keep watching this. I still have 10,000 share. I'm just gonna keep watching and see If we can break a dollar and then goes to the $1.60 tail, and then there's a gap fill here at 1.8. Okay, that is the biggest winner I have. I'm just gonna keep selling as it's grinding higher. So that will close my average position for about $1 profit. So that will be about 15,000. So that pretty much I have, guys. Hope you guys pay attention on the stock market if you feel like you want to short the market. Although it doesn't really tell us yet, you just have to pay attention if we have doji, we have topping tails, we have bearish engulfing candle. So just look for that signal before you jump into the short. Um, right now, I'm basically flat. I have some position long as well. Just gonna keep grinding this and then start selling it slowly from there. Okay, that pretty much I have. Have a great weekend. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend, and that pretty much it.